by a Chrysler sedan. Both vehicles turned westbound onto Cartwright Road just prior to the officer passing through the intersection. The officer continued westbound on Cartwright as well and observed both vehicles enter the 7-Eleven parking lot in the area of Cartwright Road and Faith and P. Lucas. The officer continues on Cartwright and drives past both vehicles as they enter the 7-Eleven. Shortly thereafter, at approximately 2:59 a.m., a caller contacted Moskit Police Department dispatch and advised that their silver Hyundai sedan was just stolen from their residence in the area of Clay Mathis Drive and Edwards Church Road. Video recovered from the area of the vehicle theft by investigators after the fact shows a dark-colored Chrysler sedan dropping off a suspect on foot. In this portion of the video, a suspect is seen walking down the alleyway with a flashlight, approaching the Hyundai. The suspect approaches the victim's Hyundai, and shortly thereafter, both the Chrysler sedan and the now stolen Hyundai begin to leave the area together. The vehicles stop in the alleyway, and the driver of the Hyundai exits the vehicle and speaks with the driver of the Chrysler.
Seventeen's unoccupied.
Yeah.
Give me your hands! I got two at gunpoint. Get on the ground now! All of you! Get down! He's got a black male running in sweats toward the strip mall. Hey! Do not move! I will fucking kill you! Do you understand me? One's running behind the strip center. I got two at gunpoint in the car. Two black males, black hoodie, gray sweats, black hoodie, black sweats, running behind the Little Caesars, running east. Stay right there. Shut the car off. Shut the car off now. 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 Stop now. Stop. Do not fucking move. Stop now. Do not move! Do not fucking move! Shots fired, shots fired. Don't move! Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! All of you! Do not move! Stay in the car! Do not move! Do not move! Stay there! Stay there!
In the driver's seat floorboard, officers recovered a .45 caliber Llama handgun with 2 rounds. In the front passenger floorboard, officers recovered a .7.62 Mini Draco with 23 rounds. In the rear driver's side floorboard, officers recovered a .40 caliber AR pistol with 5 rounds. In the rear passenger side floorboard, officers recovered a .45 caliber Springfield XDS with 2 rounds. The driver of the Chrysler sedan was identified as Peyton Lawrence, a 19-year-old male from Moskit. At the time of this incident, Lawrence had an outstanding warrant for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
Stop now! Stop! Do not fucking move! Stop now! Do not move! Do not fucking move!